We'll guide you through how to delete Reels history on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to delete your Reels history, perhaps it's just one Reel you want to delete as you didn't mean to watch it, or you want to go and delete all of your history and have a fresh start, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So there are different places you can see your history. For example, you can go and press Reels in the bar at the bottom or the top, depending upon your phone. And then if you go and press the search button in the top right, like so, magnifying glass, it'll go and say Reels you've watched, and you can press see all to the right. You can then go and see them here. But if you go and press the three dots to the right, you'll go and see there's no option to go and delete the history or clear it all. So we'll guide you through how you can do this. So what you need to do is go to the bottom right or top right of Facebook, depending upon where the menu button is, and you can go and tap there, and you brought to your Facebook menu. Next, we need to go and get to the settings. So you can go to the top right and go and press on the gear cog icon, or alternatively scroll down and find settings and privacy, tap on it to expand it, and you can then go and press settings like so. Next, you want to go and scroll down like this until you find this section called your activity. And in here, you can find activity log. And so in here, we can then go and see our Reels history, and we can go and delete them, whether it's one or all, as I said. So you can go and press activity log. And in here, you need to go and find your Facebook activity, and you can tap on it to expand it. And you want to go and find the option for posts. And within there, you can go and press manage posts like so. Go and wait for it to load. And here we are. Now, what we need to do in order to go and start deleting all of them or just one, we can go and filter them. So press filters in the top left and press categories. And you want to go down to videos you've watched. This includes Reels. And then what you can do is you can go and either, if it's just one, press the three dots to the right of it, and you can then go and press delete. Or at the top, you can go and press clear video watch history, and you can clear all of it. In this case, I just want to do a couple. So I'll press the three dots to the right of one and press delete, and it'll then be deleted. And of course, we can go and repeat that for others as well. Press delete. The difference with this here is you can't actually go and tap on them to go and watch them, which can be annoying, but that's how you can go and delete them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.